are you? Good. I was wondering if I could ask you just a couple questions about your dry aged meat you have in the rack, the case right here. Do you guys sell it out here? Do you cut it, or is it like?
We do have some out on the shelf.
It's out on the shelf? Okay. How long is your oldest meat been in the case?
That's kind of what I've heard, that they put them in there for 30 to 45 days.
30 to 45 days, okay. Usually, do you cut it?
We could cut it for you, but that's when our butchers are here.
Butchers, oh, okay. They're not here right now. Okay. All right. Thank you. I appreciate it. But it looks good. That's the first I've seen.
No, a lot of people buy it.
The store do that.
They're always cutting it like every day.
Every day?
Every day.
Oh, awesome. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate your help. Take a look at this meat. It looks absolutely delicious. The marbling on those ribeyes. See if we can find some in the case over here. Looks like they've got really good meat selection. We're at Goodwin and Sons Market, and I just spoke with the guy behind the counter, and he directed me down here to find the dry aged meat they have in their humidifier. Looks like we got Porterhouse here, $21.99 a pound. Meat looks really good. Dry aged T-bone steak, $20.89 a pound. And we've got the dry aged bone-in ribeyes, $22.99 a pound. A little more expensive. But they look great. Dry aged up here. Premium dry aged